Justin, what's your status?
He's close. He's close.
Oh yeah, super close. We made it. We made some friends. Everybody made it successful. Yeah. So here we have our rear calipers that I painted. Disregard the overspray on the lines because we're replacing the lines with the stainless StopTech lines. So what we have is the brass and stainless guide pins for here. This replaces the factory rubber. It's going to be a lot better, more heat resistance, etc., etc. It kind of gives us a little guide here to install them and just give us a lot smoother and better overall performance, especially when they get hot. Once you're in the back right here, this will sit together like this, and you basically just pull this to you, and this will slide apart from the caliper. This is the caliper bracket, and once you get that slid to you, it's hard one-handed, it will come off just like that. And once you get that off, then you have this right here. It's gonna have these two factory guides slid into here. And you see they have some like scarring and they're just kind of old. So what we're going to do is replace these with the new Bmw World ones. What you do here is you're going to go ahead and torque these to 22 foot-pounds using a 7mm Allen with blue Loctite. Have the snap-on 3/8 torque wrench right here. Highly recommend one of these. It's digital. It helps you get the correct torque every time. Okay, now for this, I have some of this left over. This is a Hawk gearhead grease pack. It's a high temperature brake lubricant. What I do is make sure we lubricate these really good so it has no resistance beside it when it slides. So the whole reason we're doing this and what we're working with here is BMW uses rubber on the factory right here. This whole guide in this thing is rubber. So we're replacing that with these brass ones right here. These are going to be a lot better quality. It's going to do a lot smoother operation, and under high temperatures it's not going to want to seize up or anything like this. Just as this little guide is going to go through here, stop on this edge, and then we're going to have a lot smoother application. I'm also going to put some grease on the inside of here to make sure it doesn't seize up as well. Okay, and for this, sits in here like this. You're going to take pliers, grab this backside, and pull it straight out. Then for these pins, we're going to make sure we have lubricant on these as well. What we're going to do is stick this in through this backside right here, push it all the way through, and then we have these little C-clips right here that are going on the backside and hold this from coming back out. The brass guide pins all in here assembled. We have the little C-clip attached on there. We have it all lubed up and nice and good. We have the StopTech stainless lines installed in the back of the caliper, and we should be pretty ready to go. We're using Motul RVF 600 racing fluid. This fluid has been very good. I've put it in about every car I've ever owned. It's been solid fluid. We're going to start with the caliper furthest from the master cylinder, so we're going to go back here to the right rear. Go ahead and fill this up with fluid first, then start on that and bleed it until we get a clean stream of fluid and no air. And then we'll go to this one, and then we'll follow over here to end with this guy. Now that the train conductor has quit blowing the horn every 5 seconds, we can kind of do a recap of what's going on. This is the night before we leave to go to Touge Fest. So Kyle's just changed his oil. I've just got the M3's oil changed, the new brakes on it, got the interior all back together. We just got to clean it up. Kyle is doing his oil. He'll be done. Justin is mid-brake assembly right now. I'm not sure if he's post-brake. No, he's still mid-brake assembly. Still got the rears to go. And then we should be good. Put tires on. Hendel was doing spark plugs and brake fluid tonight. He's going to run with his stock F80 pads and stuff because they were new. He's going to try those out. So knocked all the stuff out. I'm probably going to just wash my car in the morning, go and take a shower and stuff, get ready and pack a bag, and then we'll be ready to go. Justin, what's your status?
He's close. He's close.
He's close?
Yeah, he's close. He's real close.
Oh, yeah, super close.
You just have to bleed them.
Okay.
Put the tires on and change the oil still.
That's fine.
I'm almost done. I'm pretty much done.
Okay. I like your blue and yellow.
See this right here? I coated the rotors with paint, and that's going to help you with the grip with the pads.
Okay.
It's just adding another
And
chemical
then it's going to just take all of this off the pad?
Yeah, so that stuff right there, we sprayed it yellow too. So, see? The red's on the inside, the yellow's on the outside there.
That's how you know you're in and you're out pad.
Yeah, so red's inside,
good.
Yellow's outside.
You supervise of this?
No, I have nothing to do with anything.
So are we going to bleed this with this one like grounded to the floor?
Yeah,
that's how you bleed this one?
We're welding it there. To the rotor.
Eternity later.
Because technically, we didn't really have internet like that back then, so it'd just be
They'd be on your AOL.
AOL?
Yeah, they'd be on your
maybe
AOL Instant Messenger, or maybe in your emails.
Emails? Yeah, they'd be emailing me for sure.
They'd be paging you.
All right, so my car's wrapped up. Kyle's car's wrapped up. The interior looks sick. For the most part, Looks awesome with the blue. It really ties it in together, and it's super different because no one else has that, I don't think. It's darker than cinnamon. I really like that, actually. I really liked it a lot. So I'm going to clean the inside in the morning, clean the outside. Kyle is... Are you washing yours, or are you going to pass?
Why not?
Okay, Kyle's just going to send it. Justin, you going to wash yours?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Justin's going to wash his. We got him on a good wash regimen. Very good, very good.
More like I'll do the rest of the car. Not really.
You're just going to wash your wheels?
It's the only part of my car that's worth anything.
Oh.
Oh, I can't say the same thing.
That's not true. You've ruined this.
Good morning. It is the morning we leave for Touge Fest. I am super freaking excited. We have the M3 all done. Only thing I have to go do is bed in the brakes and fill up some fuel. After that, we should be set. This thing is so beautiful, dude. The yellow calipers, the wheels, dude. I am just so happy. The car is coming to my dream, my vision, and I couldn't be happier right now. I could not be happier. I love this freaking car. But we're gonna do a quick wash real quick. Not really quick, just my normal wash. I already did the wheels. Super easy to clean with the coating. Mwah, super easy to clean with the coating. I freaking love it. So now that we have the wheels clean, we're gonna dive into washing the outside of the car. Simple wash process, 2 bucket methods, you know the whole deal. We're gonna go ahead and get this stuff done. Dude, I love this car. All right, M3 is freaking washed. It is so clean, it is so sick, and I'm absolutely in love with this car. It gets better and better every time I touch it, every time I look at it, and every time I just deal with it. I love this car so much. So we're gonna go ahead and bed in my brakes real quick, go get some fuel. I'm not sure how this bed in process is gonna go. I'm pretty sure it's the same as it was with the stop techs. They want like 3 stops from 60 to 30, I think, and then they want 2 stops from 60 to 0. So we're gonna go do that real quick so we don't glaze the pads. I may have butchered that, so correct me in the comment if I was wrong. I'm gonna read the sheet before I go do it. I'm super excited for this, guys. This car is awesome. This trip should be awesome. Cool people going, waiting on Hindle right now. He was doing brakes last night, so meet up with everybody in a little bit, go get some breakfast, and then head to the Dragon. Four by 4 Windrock rated Corvette.
Yeah, man. Only the best.
Only the best. How's the new tires?
Tires are really good.
We made it. We made some friends. Everybody made it successfully. Everybody is here. Everybody is all good. Made it a little later than expected, but still, nonetheless, we're here. This is Topoco Lodge. That's Rachel. This is where we're about to have dinner. Super cool place. We want to eat here for the last like 4 years, and we've just never ate here. So we all made it successfully. Justin is in love with his new tires.
I'm hungry.
And he's hungry as always. I'm hungry too. My new brakes are, they're okay. I'm not sure about the new brakes actually. New brakes are kind of iffy. They don't have any like initial bite, so kind of weird because those pads are supposed to be really good. So we'll see. Nonetheless, we're gonna have a cool dinner here, do some night sends at the Dragon tonight, and super excited. Yeah.